I just want to bring your attention to US dollar versus the Canadian dollar on the weekly time frame. We can see here that we have a ring high sell formation, and this was based on the close of week before last. There we go, bearish pin bar reversal, rally in a downward trend, or what is amounting to be a downward trend, and we have the perfect ring high opportunity based on the fact that this is supported with now, thanks to last week's price action, we've now got a reversal on the smaller time frame, or dare I say not a reversal quite, but a lower high. We can see how this counter trend or phase 2 has now broken down, and we're now making lower highs, which is significant. So that supports our sell prognosis on the weekly time frame. What is interesting as well is this looks like one big giant ABCD formation. There we go, A, B, C, D. We haven't quite come to the finishing part. If we take our point B to A, there we go. We can see that the 1.272 is down here and the 1.618 is there. Based on this, I can't reasonably anticipate that the US dollar is going to strengthen against the Canadian dollar with conviction until it gets to potentially the 1.272 or the 1.618 extension. Okay, interest rates in Canada are higher than they are in America, and we also have oil prices at the moment based on last week turning around, so that's good for the Canadian dollar compared to the US dollar, which is has been duly weakening in accordance with this. Okay, so a way to trade this one would simply be placing an order below the low of week before last. There we go, entry here, stop loss above the high, and first target the previous swing low, just in advance of the previous swing low. Okay, or you can scale out at a 1-to-1, that's absolutely fine. So that is the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar.